Nearly a quarter of all deaths involving vehicles at work happen during close manoeuvring in situations that may put people or property at risk. Top of manoeuvres is reversing, probably in your own yard, which is responsible for many other accidents that result in injury and cause costly damage to vehicles, equipment and premises. Almost all fatalities and injuries involve pedestrians, particularly those directly involved in the operation, such as the signaller or banksman. So, because of these inherent hazards in reversing, it needs very particular consideration. Reversing areas are often situated in or near loading bays. The designated area should be planned out, clearly marked, and visible to all drivers, pedestrians, and anyone else in the area. The idea is to reduce the potential for vehicles hitting someone as a result of a driver failing to see them when manoeuvring. It's essential to restrict, or better still, eliminate altogether, any pedestrians from a designated reversing area. Reversing in areas other than those specifically designated should be prohibited because pedestrians simply don't expect this to be happening. This reversing manoeuvre is against the one-way system and an exit door is concealed. This should have a sticker on the inside warning of the danger beyond. This is even worse, where again reversing against a one-way system is happening. Though they hear the reversing alarm, these smokers don't expect a vehicle to come from that direction. The consequences of uncontrolled reversing. If a driver has none of these aids, they may have no option but to leave the cab to visually check the area behind the vehicle. This puts the driver at risk and can also be unreliable, as someone may walk behind the vehicle after the driver has returned to the cab. A near miss. These are shown in the HSE booklet, Safety Signs and Signals. These are well illustrated and must be followed. The first is the start signal, where both hands are extended horizontally with the palms facing upwards. Stop is the usual right arm pointing upwards, again with the palm facing forwards. To show the end of an operation, both hands are brought together at chest height. To move towards the banksman, both arms are bent with the palms facing upwards and the forearms make slow movements towards the body. To move away from the banksman, both arms are bent with the palms facing downwards and the forearms make slow movements away from the body. Fairly obviously, this is a right movement and this a left. If the movement is to continue, then the signal is repeated until complete.